Good morning, children. Today we shall learn more about our body. You already know hands, legs, eyes, nose, head are the external parts of our body. But do you know who gives shape and support to our body? Let us find it out. Just touch your elbow. Do you feel something tough and hard inside it? This tough and hard thing is known as bone. Like in your elbow, there are many bones present in our body. But some parts of our body are small, like our fingers, and some are big, like our legs. Does this mean all the bones are not of same size? Right. Some bones are big, while some are small. All bones join together to form a framework. This framework of bones is called skeleton. The skeleton gives shape and support to our body. We can bend our body at certain places only. Actually, these are the places where two or more bones are joined together. The place where two or more bones are joined together is called a joint. We can bend our body around the joints. For example, we can bend our leg at the knees. But why can't we see our skeleton? This is because our skeleton is covered with skin and muscles. So what are these muscles? Feel your arms. Does it feel soft to touch? Yes, it does. These are muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones. Muscles help to move the different parts of our body. They help us to walk, run, swim, ride, cycle, etc. As we grow, our muscles and bones also grow. The skin is the outer covering of our body. As we all know, we can touch and feel things with the help of our skin. The skin is the largest sense organ of our body. You know, other than the bones and muscles, there are many parts inside our body. They cannot be seen from outside. Let us find out what are these. What is something that you do all day, every day, no matter whether you are sleeping or playing? It is breathing. Breathing air is necessary for keeping us alive. And there are two internal parts where the air goes through our nose. These are known as lungs. Our lungs help us to take in fresh air and get rid of stale air. Now just think, where does your food go after you eat it using your mouth? It goes down through a tube into stomach. Stomach is a body part where food is digested. Almost every animal has a stomach. You know, it changes size and shape according to the position of the body and the amount of food inside. The heart is one of the most important part of the entire human body. A heart is a sort of pump. It pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Let us talk about the brain. We can say that our brain is the boss of our body as it controls just about everything we do, even when we are asleep. It helps us to think. The part of the body that performs a special function is called organ. For example, the heart pumps blood to all the parts of the body. So heart, lungs, stomach and brain are some of the organs of our body. Different organs of our body do different work. Like we breathe with nose, but where does the air go from the nose? The air goes to the internal organ, lungs. So we can say lungs are also an important part of breathing process. Yes? Some organs inside our body come together to complete one job. They all together are called organ system. For example, breathing system is made of organs like nose, windpipe and lungs. Same way, our body has many organ systems like digestive system, muscular system, skeleton system, etc. We shall learn about them later. To sum up, the skin is the outer covering of our body. The muscles help in the movement of various parts of the body. Lungs, stomach, heart, brain are some of the important organs of our body. Many organs come together to do some special job and form an organ system. Our skeleton protects the internal organs of our body. It also provides shape and support to our body. But sometimes we sit or walk in such a way that spoils the shape of our body and looks bad. The position of our body when we sit, stand or walk is called posture. We should always keep a straight and upright posture. How else we can take care of our body? By eating healthy food and exercising regularly. This will make both the bones and muscles strong. If we have strong bones and muscle, we can work and play without getting tired. So eat healthy food and exercise regularly to stay fit. That's all for today. Bye bye kids.